Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're here to take a look at Thermaltakes The Tower 500, ironically classed as a mid-tower chassis, which is anything but. Measuring 23.9 x 15.3 x 15.7 inches, the Tower 500 is huge. However, all that space brings many configuration possibilities. The Tower 500 is designed and built with the extremist in mind, so with Thermaltakes DMD, Dismantleable Modular Design, means no more unreachable screws, corners or gaps, making installation a breeze with many available options. The Tower 500's versatile interior is designed to suit the needs of both all-in-one and custom liquid cooling solutions, with three 4mm tempered glass panels located at the front and the sides, showing off a panoramic view of your prized build. The Tower 500 supports up to 12-inch by 12-inch EATX motherboards, giving you more flexibility for expansion. It can also be paired with a separately sold LCD panel kit with a 3.9-inch LCD display for maximizing your PC's visual effects. That can either be installed on all three sides if you wanted to splash out even more cash, or just one of your choosing. The vertical designs of the Tower series cases adopt a chimney effect design to direct the heat vertically out of the case smoothly and efficiently. With the Tower 500's reimagined thermal design, you can achieve extreme system performance without worries due to the vast interior space and availability for mounting solutions for your cooling hardware. For example, the enclosed radiator bracket can be installed on the right side, supporting up to 360mm all-in-one radiators or any custom loop radiator under 399mm. The space is enough for a push-pull configuration, meaning a total of 6 fans installed on the radiator can be used for extreme performance. The right side panel can also be flipped 180 degrees to allow direct heat extraction from the mesh, allowing more ventilation through the system. Thermaltake do include two standard 120mm pre-installed rear fans placed at specific locations to enhance cooling performance to prevent overheating of the CPU and GPU. However, at the price point of this case, I kind of expected them to be Tough Fan 12s at least, as the ones included are basic exhaust fans. The Tower 500 has a nifty fan bracket that can either be installed vertically or horizontally in the case to house two extra 120mm fans or 240mm radiator hidden just behind the front panel, although mounting the fans to draw air in from the bottom may be more choked off than one would like. So how much storage can it hold? Well, I'm glad you asked. The equipped hard drive brackets can be expanded to mount up to 8 3.5-inch hard drives or 4 3.4-inch hard drives, plus 8 2.5 SSDs for additional space saving. The brackets located are on the removable panel behind the motherboard mounting tray that can hold 2 times 3.5-inch hard drives as demonstrated in the video. So moving on to GPU compatibility. The Tower 500 can house GPUs up to 325mm with the PSU cover installed and 355mm without the PSU cover installed. So a 4090 should fit depending on the model of the card you were using, but that's what Dremels were invented for, right? Now on to PSU compatibility. Any PSU will fit as long as it's under 200mm long, so you have loads of room to work with. We only covered the possible fan and radiator mounting locations briefly before, so here's a quick diagram to show you in more detail where everything can fit. The front I/O is very well equipped in my opinion, housing 4 USB 3.0 ports and 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, placed on the top of the panel at the front of the case to grant direct access whenever needed, along with a mic and headphone jack and an LED backlit power button. The Tower 500 is covered by 7 magnetic detachable dust filters around the case with a quick release mechanism making cleaning quick and easy. So, my thoughts on the Tower 500. The Tower 500 is a cleverly thought out design and well executed, but costing £199 here in the UK is crazy, especially without premium level fans included. However, if you're out to turn heads and to make a statement, this surely is the right choice. So if you liked this video, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one.